how was working together? Marami ba kayong eksena na magkasama? Nagba-bonding moments ba kayong dalawa? Andres, sige Andre, you go first.
Actually po, super laking bagay din po nun kasi yun talaga yung nag-bond sa amin kasi nakaka-relate kami sa mga certain situations, saka lalo po ng workshop, tropa yan.
Oo. Ako din, sasabihin ko talaga si Dre, parang may ibang connection kami kasi alam mo, galing talaga na my father was able to work with his mom, tapos ngayon we're working together, kaya nag-bond kami din talaga na parang brothers kami ganun. You know, and really our friendship is it's a great one, no Dre?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Nayaya ka na ba ni Andre na mag-car racing? Andres?
Di pa, Dre, di mo pa ako na-invite.
Let's go.
Oh, yun, na-invite.
Ayun, and so para sa inyong dalawa pa rin, tingin nyo ba advantage or disadvantage yung pareho kayong showbiz royalty?
Ako naman, I wouldn't say it's a disadvantage or I wouldn't say it's advantage either. You know, I wouldn't want to label it in any way. Talagang, at the end of the day, the effort and the work that we put in is not something that our parents do, diba? Our parents are the ones that show up on the set. That's us talaga. And the effort that we give is what we receive, and that's what I strongly believe in.
Andre?
I agree din with what Andres said, and I believe po na it could be a disadvantage, it could be also an advantage, pero just like Andres said, we would also like to be equal kasi parang ano lang po yun just a tag na parang yeah, we're anak po ng ganito, ganyan, pero at the end of the day, it's still our push as ourselves kung paano po namin ilalabas yung mga sarili po naming talents. Pero syempre thankful kami na royalty po kami, tapos syempre yun po, thankful lang po talaga ako.
Ayun, and thank you guys. And for my final question for today, kay Miss Lara Flores, the writer of course. Miss Lara, saan ka mas nahirapang isulat? Yung first part o itong second?